Tenderizing meat is all about the intent of the cook. It begins with the type of dish you're making. Is it a seared steak, pork schnitzel? In this video we're checking out the top 5 best meat tenderizers for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Chef Master Meat Tenderizer. Select cuts of steak are less expensive, and tenderizing gives them a lot of tender flavor and a variety of ways to serve them, says Ken Stoicich, a butcher and the owner of Stoicich House of Sausage. And if you consider some of the most common cooking habits, e.g., dishes, techniques, cuts of meat, a blade-style tenderizer over a mallet or pounder-style tenderizer will be your best bet. Specifically, the Chef Master Meat Tenderizer takes the top spot. This tool provides the home cook with a product that is safe in its top handle design and has an efficient area of use from a 24 square inch base. Where the use of this blade-style tenderizer also shines is helping you to save money when shopping for beef. With this tool, you can buy select cuts, which are leaner and sometimes tougher than choice or prime cuts, and are often more cost-effective. At number 4, Jim Beam Rolling Vintage Style Meat Tenderizer, JB0150. Lest you know it only for its renowned whiskey, Jim Beam also makes this roller meat tenderizer. Maybe you'll decide to marinate your steak in whiskey. Whereas a mallet or hammer may break down and flatten the meat, this roller allows for much lighter pressure to be applied to the meat. The ergonomic parawood handle, as opposed to the handle of a typical mallet or hammer, might be easier to maneuver for some users. Users also praise how sturdily constructed this tenderizer is, as well as how well it helps spices and seasonings spread more evenly throughout the meat. At number 3, OXO Good Grips Die-Cast Meat Tenderizer. Whether you're using a mallet tenderizer for a couple of pork chops or for prepping a meal for a dinner party, a good handle is paramount. For starters, this mallet's handle is soft, which cushions the repeated impact of pounding. But it's also made of non-slip material, meaning you'll be able to use it efficiently, even with wet or oily hands. Furthermore, this mallet doesn't weigh a lot, but its balance and leverage, the weight in its head is slightly offset, make it easier to control for more efficient use. The head has both a side textured with pyramid-shaped teeth, ideal for tenderizing, and a flat side that makes quick work of pounding and flattening your meat or poultry. At number 2, Norpro Grip EZ Reversible Tenderizer Pounder. The concentration of weight of this tenderizer pounder combo makes for an exceptional economy of effort. Its heavier weight generates a good deal of force, making the work of tenderizing and flattening your chicken or veal cutlets much easier for you. What else makes it easier for you? The non-slip and ergonomic grip, so you can pound and tenderize safely and comfortably. Plus, many reviewers like that the head, which is reversible, has a sizable surface area, so you can get to more of your meat at once. Finally at number 1, MERCIER Professional Needle Meat Tenderizer. This tenderizing needle is compact and fits well in the palm of your hand. Particular aspects of cooking can be obstacles, such as heavy pans or repetitive motions, so a tool might be just the thing to bring more enjoyment to your cooking. This tool is also not bulky, which is perfect if you don't have much room in your kitchen drawers. This tool comes with 56 needles, whereas most other needle meat tenderizers typically have 48. It does a great job of tenderizing cheaper cuts of steak and pork cutlets, as well as allowing the marinade to seep through meats more thoroughly, according to several users. Its low-profile design also features a safety locking mechanism to protect the blades and your fingers. But on that note, the needles are very sharp, according to several reviewers, so make sure, if you're hand-washing the tool, to use the cleaning brush included and take care when handling and cleaning it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.